In this video, we see the auditor auditing a machine setup verification process. This is a critical shop floor activity, ensures correct machine configuration, preventing non-conforming products. You'll see the auditor compare live settings to those in the parameter sheet and control plan. The audit directly verifies IATF 16949, Clause 8.5.1.3, verification of job setups, and the control plan, Clause 8.5.1.1. The competencies defined in the Process Approach section of the Auditor Guide, Section 5, are applicable. Observe the video to see if the auditor undertakes an effective audit.
So, Amanda,
Yeah,
I'm here today to look at the actual startup of production, the first off. The machine's already running. I want you to take me through the first off process. So I've got the control plan here, and on the control plan it mentions the machine settings.
yeah, okay. Now I'll show you the parameter sheets of the parameters.
Yeah.
Okay, in the panel, if you
Okay.
want.
Oh, so these are in the panel. I have written on the control plan.
Okay,
Basically, it tells me about the machine
Okay.
parameters. Yeah,
I show you and see injection time,
that's key. Yeah,
4.3 seconds.
yeah,
Okay, the pile, okay, is 23.
yeah.
The plastification time is 16.5, and the
Yeah.
cycle time is 41.
Okay.
The temperature of the barrel is 25, 125 degrees, 105 degrees to 125 degrees.
Okay.
Okay.
So it's all documented down here. Would you be able to show me where those parameters are in the machine?
Yeah, you want to see?
I do want to see. Yep. So
Yeah.
we're going to have a look. Yep. Okay. So we're here at the panel. Yeah. This
Yeah.
is where the machine parameters are actually going to be described.
Okay.
So if we go through some of those machine parameters I've got here on the control plan, some of the more critical features.
Okay, I show you the most important parameters is the injection time.
Okay.
If you need to see, injection time is here, 4.23. Okay, the cation, okay,
Yeah.
is 23. It's okay. 23.
Yep. 23.
0.6
Yeah. Okay.
it's okay. Classification time is 16.5, okay. 16,
Yeah.
okay. 0.6, okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Classification time and cycle time is very important. Is 40,
Yeah.
almost 41.
Okay. That's
It's
excellent.
okay.
Right, yep. Okay. Yep. That's
Okay.
fine. Yep.
If you need
The temperatures. Yeah.
temperature of the barrel,
Yeah.
okay. Now you show the along of the barrel.
Uh-huh.
You have here and 255 degrees to 125 degrees.
Okay. Yeah. I can see that. Yeah. But this one looks like it's
It's
slightly out.
decreasing.
Yeah.
Okay. Decreasing.
Yeah. So on this one, it's not. It states 250, but it's 255 on there. It's for a tolerance.
Tolerance is 10 degrees. You need to see. Okay.
Yes, please. Yeah.
In here.
Ah, so 10
Okay.
degrees.
10 degrees.
Is that what it says on it? Yep, it does. Yep, it says that on here as well.
Okay. 10
Okay.
degrees.
So what happens if it goes outside the 10 degrees? What actually happens then?
If you come out of the tolerance, stop the machine automatically.
It automatically stops.
Yeah.
How does that work?
Automatically, the machine stops.
Yep.
If you go out of the tolerance,
Okay.
it's not okay for the process.
Right. Okay.
It's not good.
Not good.
And so the machine stops.
Okay. And has that happened recently? How often does that happen?
It's the security of the machine.
Okay.
You program and you study for this process. You need the maximum of 10 degrees
Yeah.
for this process.
Okay.
And you say to the machine, okay, program 10 degrees.
Okay.
The machine stop.
Okay. Brilliant. Well, thank you very much for your time this morning. Thank
Okay.
you.
Let's evaluate how effectively the auditor audits the process. In the IATF Auditor Guide, one of the skills defined is verify the interactions in the control plan between the client's manufacturing processes and any outsourced processes. The good thing is that the auditor is challenging the process of job setup for the injection moulding machine, which relates to IATF 16949 requirements 8.5.1.3. He has shown the parameter sheet and compares the parameters defined with those in the control plan, and then follows the audit trail to verify the actual parameters in the machine control system. Tolerances were questioned, and the auditee explained that, for example, for temperature, there was a plus or minus 10 degree tolerance, and if this is exceeded, the machine automatically stopped. Based on the evidence collected, the auditor has opportunities to follow several audit trails, including verify that the measurement system measuring the process parameters are calibrated, verified at defined periods. This relates to IATF requirement 7.1.5.2. Verify the records of setup for the job running, including the first off sample validation. Verify how the alarm system activates when parameters are out of tolerance and are verified as working. Maybe as part of the maintaining process, this relates to IATF requirement 8.5.1.5. In summary, the auditor showed some good skills linked to the IATF Auditor Guide, but have the tendency to ask too many closed questions and sometimes accepted the auditee's response even if they did not answer the specific question asked.